Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the Hotel Apache at Binion's Gambling Hall and Hotel. We are super excited to be able to potentially offer you something with your stay that is going to be different from anywhere else in Las Vegas. We have put together ghost kits for you to rent out, try out, have your own little ghost hunt in our historic haunted hotel. You've got a few papers in here. There's a quick sample on how to use a spirit box. Right after that, it'll tell you all about all of the equipment in here and even more details, how to use it, what you're looking for. And then we've even included a few tips for your own ghost hunt. A few little steps and guidelines that might help you have a really great experience with us at the Hotel Apache. Let's take a look at what we've got. So inside your kit, you're gonna find a flashlight. Whee! Just like that, little flashlight to help you see around things. This next fun thing we have right here is called a roke. It's similar to a K2 meter, and what it does is it measures energy. All you have to do, pull it out of the box, turn it on. There's a little switch right here. Now, when it picks up on energy around you, the lights will spread out and you will get some noise. And to give you a little sample of what it should do if it picks up on energy, we're gonna put it next to a light switch. So you can see right next to the light switch, the lights light up a lot. You might even be able to pick up a faint buzzing noise. That's what you're looking for when you're using this tool to look for energy in our hotel. Now, the other thing that is the most fun to use is going to be our ghost box. So you're gonna take it out. And we do have, like I said, this lovely little cheat sheet here for you to use. Makes it super, super easy. Turn on device, and your on switch is right on the top. Just like that.
S-Box.
And now the ghost box is on.
FM.
You're gonna turn up your volume, which again is right on top. And then you wanna scan through all the channels. So what this does is it scans through radio stations so fast that you should not be able to pick up actual DJ talk or actual songs, but it's a way for perhaps some energy from another source to speak to you and talk to you. And we will have these available because we want you to have a great experience with the Hotel Apache. And we want you to remember and share your experience.